Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter messages from personal chat only in Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Telegram from my PC. And first of all, we need to go to the edit menu right here. And here you will find my folders. And if you want to filter messages from your personal chats, you can add the personal chat folder to my folders here. And I'm just going to click on add. Okay, now the personal chat has been added. And then I'm going to go back. And if you want to see the personal chats only, we can select this folder. Okay, and here you will be able to find the messages from personal chats only in Telegram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to folder messages from personal chat in Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.